Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to episode 8 of Experimental Filmmaking Tips. I'm going to show you how to make your film, your movie rather, look old in minutes. Just pour yourself a bit of bleach in your bucket, just like that, and we're going to get started. Next, take your movie, roll it up, and drop it down into the bucket. Take yourself a toothbrush, move it around a bit so it'll open up. You want to get all that bleach rolling around in there and penetrating that film. Let this sit for about 5 minutes. Next, remove your film from the bucket, put it on your workspace, take a steel wool mat pad, and start scraping the emulsion, just like that. As you see, it's going to really remove. If you want some small ones, small scratches, make small little markings, just like that. You can also do them sideways. There's some small ones. Do them sideways. If you want a bit of the audio track to be missed, you have an audio track, scratch the audio track. Just like that. You want some very tiny scratches, just a little bit. Just make some little markings in different directions. So, as you can see, that is how you make your film look old in minutes. Just like that. Alright, now on these clear parts, you can just use a thin tip magic marker and write something on it. Okay. Next, rinse your film in water. You gotta rinse all the bleach off of it. You may have to repeat this process up to 3 times. Next, what you want to do is hang your film on a film line to dry. The emulsion will be sticky, so you want to make sure that you're hanging it out and it's not sticking to each other, unless you want to get a bit more scratches that way. And you can get a good close-up of the scratches you caused with the steel wool. Right? There you go. Scratches galore all the way down. So looking good there. Let's see if I can get you some with the sunlight. There you go. That should give you a better detail of the different types of scratches caused with the steel wool. Looks beautiful to me as an experimental filmmaker. As far as I'm concerned, you can't have enough scratches and dropout. Alright? I would not suggest that you take the film and make any type of dragging on the floor or doing anything like that, because that can actually damage the celluloid and the acetate itself. It can damage the sprocket holes. As you can see there, my sprocket holes are good, and you can tear the film. Alright? So the method I showed you, the bleach, will definitely loosen up the emulsion, so you can put the scrapes in there. Alright? Do contact me on my social media outlets listed on the screen, and do subscribe. Alright? Until next time, see ya!